Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. We are super excited to share with you our new product, Rossi Magic Peel Base. If you want to learn how to change your mani more often without using so much acetone, then keep on watching. We also want to remind you that our chunky glitter glam powders are back in stock. Make sure to grab yours before it's gone. Magic Peel Base is a peelable base coat that makes removing the glam powder and gel polish super easy. It comes in a 15ml or 0.5 fluid ounce bottle. It has a thick formula that applies smoothly and evenly, and it's suitable for both beginners and more advanced users. To apply it, first push back the cuticles. Make sure there is no dead tissue left on your nails, because any remaining cuticle can cause your nails to pop off too early. Don't remove the natural shine from your nails. Use a 1000 or 4000 grit buffer to make your natural nails smooth and shiny. Start with the green side and follow up with the white side of the buffer. Wipe with alcohol or acetone to dehydrate the nail plate if you want to wear your nails for longer. Wear time depends on how many coats are applied. Apply one even coat of Magic Peel Base to the entire nail plate. Our base is one of the fastest drying products on the market. It takes only 2.5 minutes to fully dry. When the base fully dries and turns completely clear, follow up with a second coat. This application will last you up to 2 days of wear, so it's perfect for a fun weekend mani. If you want your nails to last up to 3 days, apply only one coat to the entire nail. Avoid cuticles and don't apply it on the free edge to prevent premature lifting. Apply Peel Base only in the middle of the nail, leaving a gap around the edges. This way your mani will last up to 7 days. Wait 2.5 minutes for the nails to fully dry. You know it's ready because the base, instead of having a blue tint, will dry fully clear and be dry to the touch. Remember to wipe clean the neck of the bottle with a lint-free pad. This will allow you to properly close it and prevent the air from drying the product. Now you're ready to start dipping. Pick up your favorite glam powder or gel polish shades. We are going to use Jetsetter and Spunk on the accent finger. As always, apply a thin and even layer of Rossi base coat. You can rotate your hand and lay the finger flat instead of dipping at an angle. This will give you the most glitter coverage in one step. Overlap dipping powder beyond the peel base onto the nail for longer wear. Brush away any excess powder after the base has dried. Repeat the same step to achieve more glitter opacity and strength of the nail. Lightly shake the jar from side to side to allow more glitter pieces to come up to the surface. You can lightly pat the glitter down when the base is still wet. This will allow it to lay flat against the nail. Click in the top right corner for a more detailed tutorial with more ways to apply chunky glitters. Brush away any excess powder after the second coat. We recommend you apply the final coat of the base as your last step before activating. This will protect the glitter from filing and buffing and make the process much easier. You can choose to encapsulate in clear powder if the surface is very uneven. Next, apply Rossi Activator and wait 2 minutes for the nail to harden. File and shape the nails. Use the 180 nail file and follow up with a nail buffer. After the buffing, remove the filing dust using a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol. Don't wash your hands at this step. Moisture can interfere with the top coat and may result in a foggy nail. 2 coats of top coat are needed for nails to be shiny. The first coat seals and protects, and the second coat gives the shine. Please make sure that when you're applying the first coat of Rossi top coat that you use thin, quick strokes from the cuticle end of the nail to the tip of the nail. Be sure not to leave brushes out of the bottle any longer than necessary. Wait 2 minutes for the first coat to dry, then apply the second coat of top coat more precisely. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Apply Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. Apply cuticle oil regularly to keep your nails and cuticles healthy. When a comes to removal, it's best to let your nails soak in warm water, or do it after a bath or a shower. Long exposure to water will help loosen up the base and pop it off easier. Gently push and lift using a cuticle tool or an orange wood stick. Be patient and gentle during this process. Some nails can be easier to remove than others. If you're having issues with peeling and you feel it stuck, don't use force. Instead, dip a small brush in some acetone and apply it around the edges and under the dipped nail. Bye-bye, stubborn nail. The other trick you can try is to file the free edge and sides of the nail. This is especially useful for the nails where the peel base was only applied to the middle. Sometimes the nail might not come off in one piece, but it's totally fine. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you already got your magic peel base. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe.